and now indirect object. So these are the topics for us today. तो डाइरेक्ट अब्जेक्ट भनेको के हो, डाइरेक्ट अब्जेक्ट भन्नाले हामी के बुझ्छौँ र कसरी चिन्ने डाइरेक्ट अब्जेक्ट सेन्टेन्समा म तिमीहरूलाई केही इक्जाम्पलबाट प्रश्न गर्न चाहन्छु। यहाँ हेर, I teach him. Now very simple sentence.
Yes.
This is a simple sentence. I teach him. So it is a verb. It is verb. And now it is your object. It is object. It is object. To find our direct object, all of you listen now. To find our direct object now, you have to make question. You have to make question with a verb. Teach by adding whom or what. Whom or what. So I teach. I teach whom. I teach whom. So in answer now, what comes now? Him. So him is there now. Him is there now. What? Direct object. Direct object. Direct object means now it is not only non-living thing here. It is now living also or non-living also. Again, I show you one example here. Example: she eats meat. Yes, very short sentence now. She eats meat. So meat is object. Meat is object. But how to find now? Is it a direct object or indirect object? So make question with what?
What?
Yes. She eats what?
Meat.
She eats what? So in answer, what comes now?
Meat.
So meat is there now. Here, meat is there now. D-O. D-O means
Direct object.
D-O means
Direct object.
So meat is now non-living. Meat is non-living. But him is now living pronoun. We use especially now him pronoun persons here. But meat means now non. Meat means non-living thing. So now it is clear about the direct object. Direct object. Again, I show you one question now here. She helps her. She helps her. She helps her. It is not now actually right sentence now. She is as a subject also, and now her also now object here. So it is wrong now. Instead of her, you can say now she. What's my question to you now? She helps me now. It is the right now. It is a right sentence. She helps me. So in this sentence, me is now object, or me is now living pronoun, or me means now direct object. Now come to now indirect object. Come to indirect object. In some sentence now, in some sentences, there is also direct object or indirect object. It means now some sentences consist of double object now. Some sentences consist of double object. There is a direct also or now indirect also. So where is the direct object? Where is now indirect object? It is not so difficult to you now here. So come to now example. Okay, where is duster? Have you duster? G-I-V-E, give, teach, tell, make, offer. What are they? They are not verbs. They are verbs. Or they are said also action verbs. Also here action verb. It's not main verbs. Or main verb can be also said in another word now dynamic verbs also here. They act in a sentence. They act in a sentence. Also these verbs now, when these verbs come in a sentence, they come with no double object now. Double object. I think you learn from the examples here. She gave me a book. She gave me a book. She gave me a book. So how many objects are there? All of you now. All of you are looking now here. There are two objects now. Now this is also object, or that is also one object here. So one is now living object, or one is now non-living object. So living object. Which one is living object now? Me. Me is a living object, or me means now receiver. Me means now receiver. Recipient. So always now receiver means now indirect object. Receiver means now indirect object. Or it is your direct object. So indirect object, or it is now direct object. I taught all of you English. I taught all of you English. So it is also object, or that is one also object. It is now, this is said direct object, or it is said now indirect object. It means now living pronoun, or that is now non-living. So it is now direct, or it is one now indirect object. So all of you clear now? Yes, is it now clear about now direct or indirect object? Again, I want to say one thing now. Direct object or indirect object. When now you write now direct object before now indirect object, so you must have to two or four prepositions. All of you remember, two or four prepositions. She gave a book. She gave a book to me. She gave a book to me. Now it is a receiver. It is a receiver. Who receives a book now? Who receives a book? Me. So me means now indirect object, or now it is your direct object. There is not now any rule now here. Direct object comes first, or indirect object comes later now. But there are also some rules here. So today, all of you now understood what I taught you now here? Direct or indirect object? Okay, thank you, students.